Hi, ladies and gents, and welcome to this lovely Thanksgiving week. The sun is shining, the sky's blue, the birds are singing. It's a good start to the week. Happy Monday. This week we are working on mostly revising our work for Project 3. So today you are turning in the annotated bibliography. That's the big push for today. That annotated bibliography has a ton of resources connected with it. So if you haven't already watched those videos, please, please, please watch them. Because like I said last week, and this is once again preaching to the choir because the folks who are watching the weekly overview videos are typically the folks who are doing very well and are watching like all the instructional videos. The folks who really need to be watching the instructional videos aren't, and they're not watching this. So like it is what it is, but I'm glad you're here. Yay for being super awesome. The annotated bibliography is a really nice place to earn a large chunk of points as we get near the end of the quarter. And it is a lot of work to find the research and to format it, but once you've done that, it is an easy place to earn points because I'm not going through it with a highly specific rubric. I'm not looking for grammar or structure errors. I'm not looking for transitions or thesis statements or anything like that. I'm only looking for three things when I'm grading it, and you can see that in the rubric attached here to the assignment. There's only three categories of grades here. I'm looking at the prompt. Do you have three sources? Are two of them from the library? And is the format of the document following the template I gave you? If it does that, it gets full points. Like that's easy. Click all the points. Citations. Are the citations in standard MLA format? Are they? Yeah. All the points. And the great thing is if you found your resources on the CBC library databases, it creates the citations for you. So all you have to do is put a hanging indent in and then you're good to go. So those are easy points right there. And if you watched our tutorial on how to use the CBC library databases, I walked you through how to do those citations. But just in case you missed it, I can show you real quick because it's super easy. So say we're looking at something on the Pittsburgh synagogue shooting. Synagogue? How do you? Yeah, gog shooting. It's really hard to like type and think and spell at the same time while you're being recorded. It's very weird. My brain shorts out on the spelling. It's like, well, I don't know how to spell things. Um, it does. It just won't when I'm being recorded, which is annoying. So there you go. You can click on an article you like, and then you just click on this cite button over here on the right-hand menu. Scroll down until you get to MLA. Definitely use MLA. Make sure you're doing that. Copy and paste this bad boy into your works cited page. Like change the things that need to be changed. So like this is an n times New Roman 12 point double space. Do that, but the actual citation itself has already been created for you. So all you have to do is format it. Yay! Such a time saver. It's amazing. So you get points for citations there. Kudos. And then annotations. The annotations are the paragraphs that you tell me about your source. Is it a paragraph that tells me about your source, tells me how you want to use it, and says why it's reliable? Yeah, awesome. You get 30 points. That's cool. So make sure you're using those resources. In the modules folder, if you haven't already checked it out, go down to Project 3, and there's a whole section for the annotated bibliography. Here is how to find sources. So if you haven't done that, hopefully you have. Like really, really hopefully you have. But if you haven't, here's how to do that. And here's the walkthrough on how to make the annotated bibliography format perfect so you can get all those points. So watch this and then use the sample to format your document. And bada bing, bada boom, you have like 60 points that help a lot when we get like to the end of the quarter. So it's a great place to get points. You want to have the normal MLA heading, normal MLA everything. The title is annotated bibliography. Then you've got your citation and your paragraph. The paragraph does three things. It's got a summary of the article, it's got how you're going to use the article, and it's got evaluation of the effectiveness, like why is this a good source, sort of thing. Do that, and you're good to go. Just do this 3 times with 3 sources that you plan on using in Project 3. Yeah, clear as mud. Awesome. So glad. So glad we had this talk. I mean, I am, because I'm excited to read what kind of research you've got. I want to see how it all comes together for you. And then the rest of this week, we're just working on writing and revising our Project 3 essay because that's due next week. That's due next week. So work on that. Um, because after that, we're just writing the reflective letter and then we're done with the course. I kid you not, guys, we are that close to being done. So this week, we're doing the annotated bibliography and working on writing Project 3. Next week, we turn in Project 3. You write a reflective letter, which is about a page long, and you look at like our experiences this quarter, what maybe you can take away, what worked for you, what didn't, all that good stuff. There'll be a whole lecture on that. More videos, yay! So don't worry about that until the first week of December. But you're gonna write a reflective letter and then you're done. That's it. You don't have a final in this class if you passed the diagnostic essay with a score of 30 points or higher. I will be sending emails out to the people who need to retake the diagnostic essay. So if you don't get an email from me, you don't have to take the exit essay. You're a free bird. You turn in that reflective letter and you're done. You're free. You're done. You don't have to do any more writing for me. Aren't you excited? Yay! So we're so close to being done, guys. I just want to encourage you, keep pushing. I know it's hard. Thanksgiving comes and we're like, ooh, I'm done. I'm full of turkey and I'm done. Don't be done yet. We're so close to being done, but we're not done yet. So turn in the annotated bibliography today. Spend this week writing your essay. Enjoy Thanksgiving with family and friends in whatever way you celebrate. Work on revising some more. Turn in that final draft on next Tuesday. And then we'll talk about the reflective letter next week. That's where we're going. That's what the plan is. If you guys have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help. Otherwise, I can't wait to see your annotated bibliographies, work on writing your essays, and have a fabulous Thanksgiving.